Welcome to Grade 6 Visual Arts. I am Jessica Russo-Scher. Most people call me Miss Russo. And this is an introduction to what the semester of visual arts will look like. Our focus this semester will be on expressivity. We will be working on 3 major units throughout the semester.
Grade 6 Visual Arts will teach the students how to understand expressive line, shapes, and sculpture.
2 of our projects will be 2-dimensional and we'll have 1 3-dimensional project. Learning how to use different materials and be flexible with the process of making art to really understand the best way to communicate their ideas. By the end of the semester, grade 6 students will make connections between their work, the work of other students, and art historical works.
All of our resources for our class are kept on campus. This is where you'll find general information about the class, assessments, and you will also see all the unit planners, including infographics with all of the assessment criteria and instructional videos.
I encourage you to take some time to look around and get familiar with all of the resources that are posted on there. Their learning will be documented in their process portfolio, which will be a digital archive of all their practice drawings and development of ideas and final works. All of the art materials that you'll be using in the classroom are available for you here. The only thing that you will have to purchase is a hardbound sketchbook. These are the best ones because you can take them in and out of your backpack very easily without them getting damaged, and you can use them from year after year. You can get the sketchbook either at the school store, order it from Amazon, or any local art supply stores, or a lot of the smaller like stationery stores will have something similar.
Have your sketchbook and your laptop for each class.
Don't hesitate to reach out to me if you have any questions or concerns. I'd be happy to help.